Former state budget official Kosta Diamantis was back on the stand for day 8 of his federal corruption trial, this time under questioning from a prosecutor trying to poke holes into the testimony he gave yesterday, saying he never took a bribe. NBC Connecticut political reporter has more from Bridgeport Federal Court.
Diamantis portrayed himself again today as a man brought in to clean up the state's school construction program, maintaining that he did nothing wrong along the way, but prosecutors tried to contradict that narrative, often using Diamantis' own words. Diamantis denied that he lied to prosecutors, and in detailing his side of the story, he also denied the other charges against him, pressuring 2 contractors to pay bribes and for one to hire his daughter. And in turn, he's accused of using his power over school construction money to get them work.
The government has made its claim here based on a timeline, and we'll ask the jury to draw certain inferences consistent with guilt. The jury may well do that. We'll ask otherwise for reasons that you'll hear on Monday or Tuesday.
Diamantis did again admit to accepting money from Acronym Masonry, but only to arrange a meeting with D'Amato Construction, and that he researched this to make sure it was legal. On his way out to lunch, Diamantis maintained his innocence.
The press always believes the prosecution.
I want to hear what you have to say.
You're a friend of the prosecution, there's no doubt.
But prosecutors painted a different picture. Diamantis pressuring Acronym for money amid financial troubles and helping them get work. I do 44, not a penny less, and tomorrow as agreed. Other than that, tell him I'm out. Diamantis said he didn't have power to fire Acronym. Prosecutors also presented new texts with Diamantis' daughter, Anastasia, who worked for construction advocacy professionals. After Diamantis said he negotiated pay with the company's owner, Anastasia said, "I can pay my car taxes and a credit card." Diamantis, "Great, more to come." Diamantis said the exchange was tongue-in-cheek. Assistant U.S. Attorney Jonathan Francis was often argumentative with Diamantis, who's also a lawyer, during that cross-examination. It got to the point that Norm Pattis even asked for a mistrial. Judge Stephen Underhill wasn't ready to go that far, but he did tell Francis and Diamantis to tone it down. Now, the trial's going to resume on Monday, although Pattis said he's no longer going to try to put former Hartford Mayor Luke Bronin on the stand. Meanwhile, Underhill told jurors could have closing arguments by Tuesday. From Bridgeport, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.